Y'all, I am so excited. And let me tell you why I'm excited. Because I love watching Eddie put arrangements together. And I love it when I get to watch. Sometimes he'll do it when I'm not here. But I'm here, you're here, and he's going to give us some ideas. So you have 2 glass cylinders, Eddie.
Yeah, you can get. I mean, really, you can find
Hobby
these
Lobby
at Hobby Lobby, Walmart.
Yeah.
And they're not that expensive.
They each have a little pedestal on them. Both.
So the center
both
base
bowls.
will be for the cut flowers. And then you can use, I mean, if you want to use Easter grass going around the bottom, I found some great
You use tissue paper, y'all, and it's precious. Look at the leaves. Can you see the leaves on the tissue paper? Adorable. Adorable. Y'all sit down and watch this because I so want y'all to be able to do it. While you're working on that, Eddie, I'm going to grab my phone.
And be using as an arrangement, but you do get to eat it when it's all said and done.
Yeah, so cute. Now, these little bunnies that he's putting in there, y'all, it's what are those called? Everybody loves them. Peeps. Yeah, peeps.
I kind of like them going upside down.
I know.
I do too. I like them not so uniform. And some may need to have no ears. You want one that somebody bit off their ears, Eddie?
No.
No.
Let's just finish that one.
Now it looks like a snowman. See, Teresa? Looks like a snowman now with no ears. Who doesn't love a peep? And the flowers. If the yard was in full bloom, you could actually go out in our yard and cut some flowers.
Yeah,
But
we
you
can
went
get
to
some greens. Yeah, you know, unfortunately, I mean, I did get some tulips and everything, but you know, Easter's kind of late this year, and we would definitely not have the flowers in the yard for the Easter season.
I
But
just love those little peeps, all cattywampus in there. Like they're floating, you know. Look at this, Eddie. I love the way that looks right there.
yeah,
Like the peeps are just twirling all around in the jelly beans. They are some happy peeps.
Andy left jelly beans for us.
Yeah.
there's a little bit left
Yes.
over. There's a little bit left over. Okay, so what's left to
Precious.
do is flowers. So you like to do that part.
Well, I'm having so much fun watching you. Because I love getting in the kitchen with people cooking. Because, you know, you have this set way that you do things, but it's so much fun to see how other people perceive things. I kind of know what I do, but I want to know what you do. It's adorable.
Eddie, tell her what type of flowers these are.
You know, I think
These are just greenery, isn't it?
I think this is California eucalyptus.
Oh,
think.
wow.
That's what's
kinda-
called.
Store, did you get everything?
All this is from the grocery store, yeah.
It kind of looks like bamboo.
Yeah.
Is that one? Oh, yeah, it's in there.
And then,
The leaves are shaped like bamboo. And what is the yellow?
this is what everyone is
Allergic to.
Although I don't know.
The pollen, and that's what the bees love to suck on.
I've seen people, and you know, they're either having a party or or their florist maybe. But I've seen people along the road sometimes stopping and cutting this stuff.
Oh yeah, I've done it many a time,
It
Eddie.
grows pretty wild.
And I had Teresa do it one time at Christmas. I said, go out on the road and cut some magnolia leaves for me, please.
I had never done anything like that in my life. And she goes, just go by Forsyth Park. It'll be fine.
It'll be
I was
slap
waiting
could have
for the
fun.
police to come get me.
Now, Eddie loves these, are they called antique roses?
These are not, I'm not sure what these aren't roses.
They're not?
No. And
Oh, I see that now.
I'm
I
not
see
sure.
That now.
I'm not sure
like
what
I
they're-
thought that one was a rose, but it's not. But Eddie loves these like antique roses, and they look old. You know, they're about to the point where I'd throw them out. And that's not a rose either, is it?
No.
One of the nice
No
things about
roses.
this is you can start this in the early part of the season and just keep changing
Oh, gosh,
flowers.
yes, yes. And you don't have to disturb any of this.
Exactly. Look how cute with all the colors.
I love the irises. They are so beautiful. Eddie, you want this cut in two, or would you do?
I know
this
you can
one?
put it straight in. Yep.
Hope I got it in the water and not the jelly beans. Look at those beautiful. You know, I don't want to be more morbid, but you know, when somebody passes away and on the coffin they do a blanket. Well, when Uncle George passed away, Aunt Peggy did nothing but purple irises and greenery. And I swear that was the most beautiful blanket I've ever seen. And I said, when it's my time, I want that.
Purple irises.
And just greenery.
So anyways, this is a
on
pretty
happier
tall.
note,
That's a pretty tall arrangement.
it is, but you know, it's fine for the center of the table.
Yeah.
So we've got
Oh,
all
that's the
pretty-
pretty side right there, I think, the prettiest. Yes.
And you did that in 10 minutes.
Yes. The longest thing that took was pouring the jelly beans in, you know? But I told Eddie, I love that tissue paper. And if it's not a holiday that you're celebrating, just do that tissue paper all the way up to the top. Just make sure it's not in the water. And it would be beautiful because it would be leaves up here live and leaves down here. I sure did think you had roses, honey. I can stick one more. One more, like right there. No, you're not supposed to. I have to feel where that glass is, or I won't be able to get it in there. Perfect. Perfect.
So there you go.
Isn't that beautiful? Eddie, you is so good. Love it, love it, love it. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.